have the all new steering wheel here. Hello guys, and welcome back here again on Mr. Ben's YouTube channel. Today featuring the all new E53 Coupe model. A world premiere on our YouTube channel. This car just got launched. Very beautiful. Following the sedan and estate model, here comes the Coupe with new headlights, new grille, new rear, etc. We'll show you everything in this video, including a walk around, interior details, a new steering wheel, and also a sound check afterwards. So let me talk about this car. Here we have the E53 model 4MATIC Plus, painted in graphite gray Magno exterior color. As you can see, we have the night package here, so we're good. 20-inch wheels, very beautiful. This car is featuring a inline 6-cylinder engine producing 435 brake horsepower, which is just powerful. I can't wait to drive this beast. So let's just start with the video and the walk around, starting with this beautiful and aggressive front. As you can already hint and see, we have the same front as we have it with the updated and new E-Class 53 model, which was already presented a few months ago, which a few of you can already remember. Here we have the updated and all new headlights. How do you like them, guys? Very nice. We have the center one stripe LED, and then we have two LED modems here as well. Then continuing with the grille, here we have a special grille which comes with a night package, I think. So this is a darker color chrome. If you compare it here with the AMG, it's a little bit more darker. It's all about the details, guys. Then we have the big Mercedes 3D star emblem here. Behind this we have assisted packages such as the Distronic, etc. hidden. The camera, the all new Mercedes-Benz emblem on the bonnet, as well as some beautiful power domes here on the hood. Really gives this car an even sportier touch, as you can see. Very aggressive. And now finally the E53 with the upgraded AMG front grille, 12 vertical stripes, which we already have in literally almost every AMG. Coming with the all new facelifts, every AMG will have this new AMG front grille. So let's continue with the front bumper. Here we have plastic covers, yes, but still we have an airflow through here. Then we have the filters down here. Front skirt is finished in black piano, since we have the night package here. And on the right side as well, plastic covers, which basically suit the car. I don't have a problem with that. Really looking sporty with the double stripe here, and also with the vertical stripes down there, really fitting the front grille. So what do you think about this new and updated front? Really looks way more aggressive when talking about the predecessor car. I would personally prefer this one. The E53 Coupe never looked so good, honestly. We will also show you the rear later on and you will be totally convinced. I know that already. So let's continue with the rims, as we have the dynamic package, which includes the drift mode. The first time we have drift mode in this beast. The race mode as well, plus red brake calipers, as you can already see. Here we have the AMG 5 double spoke 20-inch wheels finished in black, really suit the 53 car. Here have the red brake calipers with the black AMG emblem on them, really looking nice. AMG engraved here. We already know this wheel design from the CLS 53, for example. Then we have the Turbo 4MATIC badge on the sides. Really love the red accent here, suit the brake calipers, really like that. And we have some carbon details here on the side mirrors, really looking nice and suit this car. Fit very nice on this sporty car. As you can already see, we have the night package here, tinted rear windows, as well as the blacked out frames here. If we didn't have the night package, these frames would be completely chrome. And we have the rear rims as well, 20-inch here, AMG engraved, and the red brake calipers, really looking nice. So let's move to the rear. So here we have the rear tail lights of the new Mercedes-Benz E53 AMG. As you can already see, there's not much that changed, but if you look closer, you can see the tail lights now fit and suit the E-Class family. As we had it with the Estate or with the sedan, the new headlights have like OLED kind of look in the back here, really reminding me of the S-Coupe, for example. Really looking nice. Then we have the rear spoiler, also finished in carbon. Really love that. Not an exterior paint. This one is finished in carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. The AMG badge here, the Mercedes star, and the E53 emblem here. Really nice. Let's continue with the diffuser. Here we have the blacked out rear diffuser, as you can already see. Fully finished in black. Then we have the plastic covers here, which I personally don't like, to be honest. The blacked out rear exhaust pipes really looking nice. You get these when you choose the optional night package, which look really nice and suit the rear. If you look like this, you see you have the car fully blacked out with the black exhaust tips, with the black diffuser, with the black wheels, etc., all black. But unfortunately this is not black, this is graphite gray, as I already mentioned. Still looking very nice. It's a very dark gray color tone, for the first time now available for the E53 coupe models. And we also have brilliant blue Magno and brilliant blue now available for the E53 coupe as well. I wish they had it here because it's a very beautiful color. So now, before we continue with the interior, let me show you the updated Mercedes key, which you already know. Really nice key design here. Unfortunately, without the Falterbach rear badge here. I wish they had it, because it looks so fire. So that's it. You can lock, unlock and open the trunk with these keys. So let's proceed with the interior, guys. So here we are now. Here we have the all new and updated Mercedes E53 interior. As you can already see, we have the all new steering wheel here, the AMG flat bottom one. But before we do that, let me show you the door panels here. Really love that. We have a black and gray B color leather. Black here, also here with the red stitching. Then we have the gray here with the gray stitching. Really love that. Carbon fiber trim here. The seat settings, etc., also finished all in chrome. Unfortunately, no Burmester. The AMG entrance board here finished in chrome. This one is illuminated. You will see it more clearly in the dark. Then we have the AMG floor mats here. Really nice. So let's get inside. Let me show you more of that beautiful E53. So now we are inside the E53 AMG Coupe. As you already saw, we have the all new AMG steering wheel here. Beautiful flat bottom with the AMG engraved here. The steering wheel frame in stock color silver here, with the steering wheel buttons as well as the touchpads here. New airbag cover, it's much bigger, and beautiful new steering wheel. I will do a separate video with that in detail. We'll show you everything about the new steering wheels on YouTube as well, so stay tuned for that. Also we have new shift pedals here, as you can see, up and down. These are C-shaped, but more of that in my in detail video. Then we have the carbon fiber dash and carbon fiber center console, full carbon fiber here with the door panels. Really look nice, in addition with the red stitching and the black leather, as well as the black and gray leather combination here, as well as here on the seats. As you can see, red stitching, gray leather with the black leather and the dual stitching, gray and red. really nice. Love that. I really love that. As I already said, unfortunately, no Burmester sound system here. The memory seats, we can individually set your seat settings, etc., the heating and the cooling as well. If we look up here, one main feature which you always need and I really love first is the panorama roof. You need it. I love it because you have so much daylight coming inside the car. Really feels much better than if you have a full blacked out cover here, which I really don't prefer. Then which I daily used, the sunglasses compartment here, really like that. So here, before I forget it, let me just turn on the E53 for you guys. AMG animation, really love that. A main thing that has changed here is the infotainment system. In this E53 now finally, as we already know with the E-facelift, we have the new MBUX infotainment system, which is so advanced and great. Really using it, it's so easy. This display is fully touch, so responsible and easy to use. Also you can use the touchpad over here. And we have all the buttons here, telephone, navigation, media, etc., car settings, favorites. You can change the dynamics here, suspension, everything. But you can also change it here on your touch display or also on your steering wheel now lately. So now let's get outside the E53. Let me show you the sound. So here we have the side view of the E53 Coupe. Before I forget it, because many of you mentioned to show that also. As many of you know, we have no B-pillar here. This part is completely empty. So if you're driving this car and lower all the windows down, it looks so nice without the B-pillar. What do you think about this? I am personally a big fan of the coupe models, not a big fan of the four-door sedans. So this is really beautiful, especially with these wheels. Please comment down below how you like it. So here we are now in the rear, ready to do some sound checks for you. But before we start, I just want to let you know that this car is a pre-production demonstration car, so the sound can be different to normal E53. So let's do this and hear the sound of this 6-cylinder inline AMG engine. So let's start with comfort. Now changing to sports. So now let's hear this car in Sports Plus. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. As a resume, I can say I'm totally in love with this. The updated E53 finally looks so much better than the predecessor. Now we don't have the twin-bladed anymore with the Panamericana, with the new front, the Shark, and the A-shaped front grille. Looks much sporty and aggressive. For me personally, I would definitely prefer the coupe over the sedan because this is just beautiful. How do you like it? Please just leave your comments down below. How do you like the sound, the exterior, the interior, and the new updated steering wheel? Would really love to read your comments. So wish you a great day and thanks for watching. Goodbye.